The AI Act aims to establish a comprehensive legal framework on AI worldwide for fostering trustworthy AI in Europe and beyond by ensuring that AI systems respect the fundamental rights, safety, and ethical principles by addressing the risks of very powerful and impactful AI models. The Act aims to ensure AI is developed and used responsibly. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The European Union's AI regulations have significant implications for tech developers at US companies, even those operating outside of Europe. The European Union's regulations, such as the proposed Artificial Intelligence Act, aims to establish a comprehensive framework for the development and deployment of artificial intelligence systems with a focus on ethics, transparency, and accountability. Given the global nature of many US firms, compliance with these international standards is essential. Aligning with EU regulations requires US companies to adopt ethical AI practices and integrate privacy preserving technologies into their development processes. This shift involves not only adhering to legal requirements but also embracing a broader commitment to responsible AI innovation. Embedding ethical AI practices involves ensuring that AI systems are designed and deployed in a manner that upholds fundamental human rights, avoiding bias and discrimination, and promotes transparency and accountability. This may entail implementing robust data privacy protections, conducting through risk assessments, and establishing mechanisms for ongoing monitoring and evaluation. Furthermore, US companies must recognize that ethical considerations and privacy concerns are not limited to specific geographic regions. As such, adopting a global mindset when developing AI technologies is crucial. By prioritizing ethical principles and privacy protections from the outset, US firms can enhance trust among consumers, mitigate regulatory risks, and drive positive societal impact. Ultimately, embracing ethical AI practices and aligning with international standards, such as those set forth by the EU, can position US companies as leaders in responsible AI innovation. By taking proactive steps to embed ethics and privacy into their development processes, tech developers can help ensure that AI technologies are used to promote human well being and contribute to a more equitable and sustainable future, both within and beyond European borders. Let's look into today's headlines. Over 100,000 projects of GitHub found with bad code. GitHub grapples with a significant challenge as more than 100,000 projects have been identified with bad code poses a serious threat to developers who may unwittingly use or download malicious software. Numerous instances of incorrect code has been discovered across various locations, highlighting a substantial difficulty for GitHub. The platform is increasingly being targeted by malicious users who upload malware. IT majors, Infosys and Cyient on list of electoral bonds donors. As per data released on March 17th by the Election Commission of India, information technology and engineering services companies including Infosys, Cyient and Zensar Technologies have been identified as donors to political parties through the electoral bonds scheme. The Election Commission has publicly posted the electoral bonds scheme data submitted by the State Bank of India on its website, adhering to the Supreme Court's order on the matter. Meta announces to work with ECI for free and fair elections. As India prepares for the 18th general elections, Meta will accelerate its efforts to limit misinformation and enhance transparency on its platforms to support free and fair elections. Meta has around 40,000 people globally working on safety and security, with more than $20 billion invested in teams and technology. This includes 15,000 content reviewers who review content across Facebook, Instagram, and Threads in more than 70 languages, including 20 Indian languages. Microsoft ropes in DeepMind co-founder Suleiman to run consumer AI. Microsoft Corp has named Mustafa Suleiman as head of its consumer artificial intelligence business. Suleiman, who co-founded Google's DeepMind, will report to Chief Executive Officer Satya Nadella and oversee a range of projects such as integrating an AI co-pilot into Windows and adding conversational elements to the Bing search engine. His appointment will streamline Microsoft's consumer AI work under one leader for the first time. Truecaller can now automatically filter any spam calls. For premium customers, Truecaller has added an AI feature that automatically blocks all spam calls on its Android app. The Max Protection tier, which is updated depending on user feedback, recognizes and filters known spammers but could overlook valid calls. This feature is not available on iOS and requires a premium subscription which starts at Rs 75 per month in India. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.